So for this DIY you need a bow, ribbon and a rubber band. So the first step is to just glue the ribbon around the bow like this. Next I am just going to paste the bow on the rubber band using hot glue gun. So this way we are just able to make this super adorable rubber band in just a minute. So for this DIY, first we're gonna make two fluffy pom-poms using wool. Next we are going to just grab an old hairband and just glue the pom-poms. So in order to secure the pom-poms well, I am just going to paste two felt pieces like this. You must have seen this idea earlier, but I just made this video because I just wanted to give it a try and I thought why not just make it in front of the camera. So yeah, in simple words, I'm just copying someone else's idea. Oh wow, copycat. So firstly we are just going to cut a rectangular piece from craft foam, and next we are going to apply hot glue gun on one of its side. Then we are going to just stick the two sides together. So next we are going to grab our scissors and cut it like this. So next we are going to just apply hot glue gun and roll this thing like this. So next I am just going to stick a pearl bead in the center. So I am just trimming it a bit, and don't you think it just looks like those Swiss rolls, I guess? Swiss rolls, yes. Now all you have to do is just grab your old clip and just stick this flower using a super glue, and don't use hot glue gun, it is not going to work that well.